Fourth grade, how's it going today? Um, what a time to be alive. Hope you're all doing well. What we're going to do right now is we're going to read our interactive read aloud. As we're reading a special birthday hug, one thing I want you to do that you're going to be able to do on the next slide of your Nearpod presentation is you're going to draw what you see, okay? Or draw what you're visualizing as the story is being read to you. So if you need to make a mental note, if you need to actually write something down, or maybe even draw something as it's being read to you, go ahead and do that. Because like I said on the next slide, you're going to have an opportunity to draw at least one thing that you visualized as this is being read aloud. So without further ado, let's listen to a special birthday hug.
A special birthday hug. Last week, I went shopping with my grandmother. She needed to buy some new towels. We walked past a stack of soft pillows in bright colors that were shaped like the letter C. She picked up a bright blue one and put it around her neck. "That looks funny," I said. "Is it something to wear?" "No," she laughed. "These are neck pillows, and you use them to support your neck when you're sleeping, watching television, or whenever. I'd love to have one." She turned the price tag over and raised her eyes. "We're here for towels," she said. "Come on, Nick, let's not get distracted." My Nana's birthday was in a week, and I wished that I could buy the pillow for her, but I had seen the price tag too, and it cost much more than I had. I thought about the pillow. It looked like a big stuffed letter C, covered in a furry blue fabric, and it was filled with some kind of soft stuff. Could I make one? I told my mom my idea, and she found an old blue robe that was made of the same fabric as the neck pillow. She said the robe had holes in the elbows anyway, so she let me have it. She helped me cut a pattern in the shape of a big C, and then we cut out 2 pieces of fabric. She helped me with the needle and thread, and I sewed up the sides. I left a small opening, and into that I stuffed the fluffy filling from an old pillow my mom gave me. Then I stitched the opening. I inspected my work carefully. I thought it looked pretty good. On Nana's birthday, we went to her house and took her presents and a chocolate cake. "What's this?" she asked, holding the present that I had wrapped myself. She tore off the paper and began to smile. "I made it," I said. "I sewed it for you." Nana put it around her neck. "Each time I use it," she said, "it will be just like you're giving me a birthday hug." I laughed and gave her a real hug.
And that concludes a special birthday hug. Again, on the next slide, what it's going to have you do is draw what you were visualizing as you were listening to the story.